Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will explain how to fetch some data from your MySQL database using MySQL. And in the previous tutorial I have explained how to do the same with PDO. In the tutorial number 4 or 5 I have already explained how to connect to your database, and that is the same code from that tutorial. If you check, you can see that everything works fine. But for this tutorial I don't need the else statement, and let's start it. First, create variable SQL, or you can name it whatever you want. Here I will store my query. Select all from users, semicolon at the end. And why users? While in my database, test database, my table is named users. Now, new row, I will create one if statement, and if result is equal MySQLi underscore query, then brackets, and between brackets we have to type two parameters. The first parameter is our connection variable, and that is here. Okay, $, then con, comma, and second parameter is our query, MySQL query, and we have created one variable that store our query, so I will type SQL. And in this if statement I will create just another if statement. If MySQL in num rows, that is PHP command, MySQL num rows and brackets, and here you have to type our variable result. Here's our result. If our number of rows is bigger than 0, then execute the next code. And if you want to retrieve data in table form on your browser, you have to create with echo statement one table and a few parameters from your table. For this example, ID, name, last name, and phone number. So you don't have to wait. I will type that and later I will explain. Okay. Okay, but I have wrote here. Here is our table with 50%, border 1, cell padding 10, and cell spacing 5. And here I have headings or name for our rows and columns, ID, name, last name, and number. And here in if statement I have to create one while statement. And while our variable row is equal, command, that is PHP command, MySQLi fetch array, the brackets, our result, and here, here I need to type Just another few rows with echo statement, and I will pause the video so you don't have to wait. Okay. And after while bracket, I have to close my table. Control S to save. And here is our while loop. Here is our if statement. And just another one if statement. And now check if everything works. And please take care. If you make mistake in this row here, you will be notified that you have problem with your code. Now refresh, and as you can see, everything works fine. But if I type here just a phone number, my column is empty, undefined index phone number, while in my table users I have typed phone underscore number. So you have to put the same name, and as you can see, ID, row ID, you can change and add a few more rows. For example, I can copy that number 2, Control S to save, and here is number 2, but we haven't inputs. And if I copy that row and paste number 2, undefined index. So you have to go to structure, and after phone number create a new column, integer phone number 2, save, now browse, and here's phone number 2. If I go to insert, I can type something, go, and here I have phone number 2, and if I check now, that works. Okay, type something else, throw one, okay, and as you can see, everything works fine. And that is it for this tutorial. Thanks you guys for watching.